Today, I'll show you how to print front and back on Google Docs. Printing double-sided, also known as duplex printing, is a great way to save paper, cut down on bulk, and make your documents look more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll take you step by step through the process, and I'll also point out a few things to watch for so you get the results you expect. First, start by opening your document in Google Docs, make sure you're signed in, and that the document you want to print is fully loaded on your screen. Take a moment to scroll through it and confirm everything looks right. Check the page breaks, margins, and any images or tables. Since you're printing front and back, page order matters a bit more, so it's worth quickly reviewing before you move on. Once your document looks good, move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This opens a drop-down with a list of options. From here, select Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer, but choosing Print from the File menu makes it easier to see that you're in the right place, especially if you're newer to Google Docs. After you click Print, a print preview window will appear. This shows you how your pages will be laid out on paper. It's a good idea to glance through the thumbnails on the right or bottom, depending on your browser, just to see how many pages you have and how they're arranged. This preview won't yet show you which side of the paper they'll be on, but it helps you confirm you're printing the correct document and page range. Next, look for your printer settings in this window. You'll usually see a drop-down that shows the printer you're using, followed by several options like pages, layout, color, and more. Among these options, you want to find the setting labeled two-sided duplex or something similar. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your printer and browser, but it generally appears as a checkbox or a toggle. Click to enable two-sided or duplex printing. If there's an additional choice between long edge and short edge binding, long edge is what you'll typically want for standard documents printed in portrait orientation. That keeps the pages turning like a normal book. Short edge is more common for landscape layouts or special formats. If you're unsure, stick with long edge or the default option your printer suggests. If you don't see a two-sided or duplex option at all, there's a chance your printer does not support automatic double-sided printing. In that case, you can still print front and back by manually flipping the pages, but that's outside of what Google Docs itself controls. For printers that do support duplex, once that box is checked, you're ready to go. Before you finalize, double check everything one more time. The correct printer is selected, the pages option is set to all, unless you only want a specific range, and two-sided printing is turned on. When you're happy with the settings, click the print button. Your printer will now start printing the Google Docs file on both sides of the paper. Give it a moment to finish, then look through the printed pages to confirm they're in the correct order and that each sheet has printing on the front and back. And that's it. You've successfully printed front and back from Google Docs using duplex settings to make your document more efficient and professional.